This is a 2017 Nissan Titan SV. It's two-wheel drive. You have the 20-inch rims. Got the V8. There's your running boards with the Titan logo on them. It is proximity entry. So you have black cloth seats. Brushed aluminum door sill plate here. You got your floor mats. A locking glove box. You have the original window sticker, which I'll have screenshots of this in the photo section so you can look at those. You have your owner's manual, a bunch of paperwork for the vehicle. I don't know what this is, but you can have it. And you have this gloss black accent above the glove box. You have a full center console. It does have heated seats, high and low. I got a 12 volt here, 12 volt there, USB and auxiliary. There's a trailer brake controller that they added. This is removable to give you a full center console, and you can also snap it in place up here on the front. You have a removable tray here and another 12 volt down there. This has blind spot detection. You can turn that on or off, as well as front and rear parking sensors. A dual zone climate control, navigation, backup camera, AM, FM, XM radio, and a CD player. You have your cup holders and your armrest here. You have your air vents in the back, as well as a 120 volt, 400 watt max outlet. And you can turn that 400 watt max outlet on with a button up front, I believe. I'll double check on that. Seats fold up. The bed looks like it was barely used. I don't really see very many scratches or anything. Already has window tint on it. Has mud flaps on the front and rear. Very clean truck. There's your reverse parking sensors. It has the tow package and your backup camera. See the mud flaps there. The tires have a lot of tread left. And then you have LED side mirror blinkers here. It's proximity entry, like I said before. Power windows, locks, and side mirrors. You get a power driver seat. Automatic headlights. There's that button I was talking about for the outlet in the rear for your 400 watt. And then it has a cargo lamp and your fog lights. More gloss black accents here. 40,860 miles. You also have the off-road menu and a bunch of menus you can view in there. Rain sensing wipers. There's your Bluetooth. Cruise control. It is push button start. The side mirrors are heated. They have your blind spot detection light here, and then the wide angle view on the corner. Tow haul mode. There's your backup camera. You have your 3 garage door buttons here to open up your garage. Power sliding rear glass. A little sunglass holder. You have the illuminated visors, and they also slide. And there is your proximity key. Like I said in the beginning, the window sticker with all the options on this truck are going to be screenshotted and put in the photo section. So if you want to find some more details, just look in there. Other than that, very nice truck, non-smoker.